A drop in the bucket. Understanding its meaning and use. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, a drop in the bucket. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used to convey a specific idea in a vivid and relatable way. Let's embark on this journey together to understand what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A drop in the bucket refers to a very small or insignificant amount in comparison to what is needed or expected. Imagine a bucket full of water. If you add just a single drop to it, that drop doesn't make a noticeable difference. This phrase is used to emphasize how minimal or trivial something is when compared to the larger whole or requirement. The phrase, a drop in the bucket, has a long history and can be traced back to the Bible, specifically in the book of Isaiah. It was used to describe the insignificance of the nations compared to the greatness of God. Over time, this phrase has been adopted into everyday English to denote anything that's considered too small to make a meaningful impact. To fully grasp the concept, let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in sentences. In the context of charity, even though I donate money to hunger relief every month, it feels like a drop in the bucket compared to the scale of the problem. Discussing work tasks, adding a few more tasks to my workload is like a drop in the bucket compared to everything else I have to do. Environmental efforts. Recycling our household plastic is important, but it seems like a drop in the bucket in the fight against global pollution. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts to express the idea of insignificance or minimal impact. When using a drop in the bucket in conversation or writing, it's important to convey a sense of perspective. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to express that something, while valuable or important on its own, is still too small to solve a problem or make a significant difference. It's a powerful tool for emphasizing the scale of something larger or more significant. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and usage of a drop in the bucket. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase and how you can incorporate it into your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances and expressions that make it rich and vibrant. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the moment is right. Until next time, happy learning!